Better safe than sorry. Prevent fires, protect lives. Good morning, classmates, sir, ma'am. We are Group 4, named 30 month pay. A pleasant hours of workers under a production with no presence of accidents. Thinking about an absence of risk, not until a machine able to do so.
Namoy mo ba yung namoy ko? Oo, parang may nasusunog.
Fire! Fire! Yung fire extinguisher, magagawa!
Sige po!
Ano yun? Parang may nasusunog. May wala na yun man. Opo, may nasusunog po dito. Opo, sa company ko ng 31 grade. Ngayon na daw. Opo, opo. Sige po, sige po.
In a grip of emergency calls, active safety officers were able to make it to the production company.
Yung isa na iwan. Wala na, wala na.
With the hands of mighty safety officers, they were able to lend hands to the people in need.
May naiiwan. Saan isa? May naiiwan na isa. Saan? Kaya magpanik ko mga sir.
A lesson that we can take and have in this kind of situation is that we must have an idea about fire safety, how properly we should act, and how crucial thinking is. Again, person that do not have idea about fire is more dangerous than the fire itself. Thank you.